name is Joe, and as the grand opening of AANUKO gets closer and closer, I wanted to share a little. I'm excited to finally introduce to the whole world, for the very first time, these 6 barbers that we're gonna be kicking off this project with. We've been working on AANUKO for 2 years now, and after talking to literally hundreds of barbers all around the country, we've got basically the equivalent of the hair adventures ready to take on this industry. But that's enough for me. I want you to actually meet the team for yourselves, get to know them a little, and see the talent that they're actually bringing to the shop. So without further ado, please welcome the Barbers of AANUKO.
I naturally gravitated towards hair cutting over color. I think as soon as I could do a proper fade, that's when it clicked. I think I can really be pretty good at this. Shapes and angles, degrees, architecture, and hair structure. I
knew early on that working with my hands and combining that with my creativity was something that came naturally to me, man. I've always also seen hair cutting as an art itself.
It ended up falling into my lap at just the right times. I started cutting my own hair. I ended up getting pretty decent at cutting my own hair. And then my friends were like, yo, who are you going to get your haircut every week? Why do you have a fresh haircut every Monday?
I think that when I got to college, I realized that there was a lot out there. Me doing and being the person that I was told I had to be, that wasn't necessarily an option for me. I saw that you could do this, you could do this. You don't have to do your typical 9-to-5 job. I needed a creative outlet where it was more visual, not necessarily sonic.
I was just on that track, yo, school's it, you know? But then once I started cutting hair, it was just my expression was definitely through creating.
I think I definitely bring an artistry to this, a different mindset. Some of the haircuts that I get excited about are the ones that scare me the most. The ones where you want to run away from, those are the ones that I tend to excel at.
I feel like you can give 100 people a fade and every person will still be uniquely individual.
It ended up becoming something way more to me than what it was then. I didn't even think of cutting hair as a career at all.
The perfect bridge between making a connection and service and just critical technical cutting. And my mission, I guess, as a barber is being able to still express myself creatively through haircuts, but also my #1 priority is to always serve the client first. Client needs and client wants, it's for sure.
I feel like it really comes down to the conversation. I love to go to the barber shop and get my hair cut and talk to my barber. It's that one-on-one connection that you have with your barber. And you feel for that half an hour to an hour, you're just hanging out with your friend, and then at the end you come out with a really nice haircut and some relationship advice, and you leave a happier dude.
Every cut, I'm trying to learn every texture of hair, every style.
The styling process at the end literally enhances the haircut, bringing the whole haircut together.
Showing the styling process as well as the products that you're using and explaining why you're using it is such a big part of styling at home that I think a lot of barbers miss out on. And for me, it's just another building block to add a connection with your client.
I'm easygoing, easy to talk to. I'm gonna give you a great hairstyle. You're gonna walk out feeling like $100, but you're gonna also walk out with a friend, man. I think that's something that's very important, is developing a relationship more than gathering clients.
I want every client to walk out knowing at least one new thing about their hair, providing value in one way or another.
I like to recommend products I stand behind. I think that's a big part of barbering, is getting to know your clients and how their hairstyles are gonna come out and educating them on different types of things that might work for them.
I'm gonna listen to what you're looking for, what your goals are. I wanna help you make sure that it's nice and styled for you even when you're on your own. I'm in it for you. I'm team client. My name is Arielle de Guzman.
My name is Jeremiah Juarez.
My name is Arielle Donnell.
My name is Christian Garcia.
My name is Aaron Aguilar.
My name is Joshua Zavala, and I'm a barber at AANUKO.
Now, in terms of getting off the ground, we plan to be fully up and running sometime next month, probably towards the end of July. And I am so ready to bring a new quality shop ready to serve the LA area. But again, remember, this is not just for locals. AANUKO will be the new home covering all things hair type, going in with professional input and new hairstyles and new types of hair textures that expand way beyond just one guy and one head of hair. So please follow along, because once we're up and running, AANUKO will be all the inspiration that you could possibly need for your hair and style going forward. We're here to make an impact on the industry. We're here to change the game, and I'm excited for you guys to watch it unfold. So make sure that you guys stay tuned, and I'll see you next time.